welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 24 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is story writing. So यहाँ पर हम बात करने वाले हैं story writing के बारे में. So what is a story writing? First of all, let us know this. So, in your examination, a question is asked on story writing. कि आपके एग्जाम्स में आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है स्टोरी राइटिंग के बारे में. In this question, some outlines or a picture is given and you are asked to write a story based on those outlines or picture. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कहीं पर कोई पिक्चर दी होती है या फिर कुछ आउटलाइंस दी होती हैं इस तरीके से, और उन पिक्चर्स और आउटलाइंस के थ्रू आपको एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी फ्रेम करनी पड़ती है एट द मोमेंट, राइट. सो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए गए हैं जहाँ पर हमारे पास है आउटलाइंस उस स्टोरी की जिससे हमें स्टोरी फ्रेम करनी है आगे. सो लेट्स रीड द एग्जाम्पल्स एंड हैव अ बेटर नॉलेज अबाउट द स्टोरी राइटिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द टॉपिक इज द वेन स्टैग. सो जल्दी से इसकी आउटलाइंस पढ़ते हैं पहले. अ स्टैग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर sees his horns, very beautiful, very proud, his legs thin and ugly, not likes them, then sees hounds, runs, enters forest, his horns catch in thick bushes, hounds reach, kill him, says my ugly legs, me, but horns cause of death. राइट. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि आउटलाइंस है और बीच बीच में कुछ पार्ट स्टोरी का मिसिंग है. तो दैट इज द थिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. वी हैव टू एक्चुअली फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. So let's complete it with the help of some words. So a stag was drinking water at a pond. He saw his horns in water. They were very beautiful. He was proud of them. He saw his legs. They were thin and ugly. He did not like them. In the meantime, he saw some hounds. He ran and entered a thick forest. But his horns are caught in thick bushes. The dogs reached there. They killed him, and at the time of death, the stag said, my ugly legs saved me, but my horns became the cause of death. Right? So, यहाँ पर जो मॉरल है हमारी स्टोरी का वो है all that glitters is not gold. यानी कि हर चमकती चीज हम सोना नहीं मान सकते. Right? So, you saw how easily we put some words in between and we have completed the story, right? Now, moving ahead, we have some more examples. Let's read them. The next one is the thirsty crow. So, let's read it very quickly. A thirsty crow looks, water, find, nowhere, a pitcher, a little water, at bottom, beak, the water rises up, drinks, flies away. So, जल्दी से अब स्टोरी को पढ़ते हैं. So, a crow was very thirsty. It looked for water here and there, but it found it nowhere. At last, it saw a pitcher. It flew to the pitcher, but there was only a little water in the pitcher. It was at the bottom. Its beak could not reach it. It thought of a plan. It collected some pebbles. It began to drop the pebbles into it. Soon the water rose up. It drank the water and flew away. Right? So the moral of this story is where there is a will, there is a way. Right? Next example that we have is the cap seller and the monkeys. जल्दी से इस एग्जाम्पल को भी पढ़ते हैं. So, a cap seller passing through a forest, bundle of caps, head tired, under a tree to take rest, falls asleep, wakes up, finds bundle empty, monkeys on a tree, caps on their heads, thinks a plan, takes off his cap and throws, drowned. The monkeys, ground, collects, goes away. Right? So, जल्दी से स्टोरी को कंप्लीट करते हैं with the help of these outlines. Once a cap seller was passing through a forest. A bundle of caps was on his head. He was very tired, so he sat down under a tree to take some rest. He put the bundle under his head. Soon he fell asleep. After some time, he woke up. He found his bundle empty. He saw that some monkeys were sitting in a tree. The caps were on their heads. He thought of a plan. He took off his cap and threw it in on the ground. The monkey also threw the caps on the ground. The cap seller collected his caps and went away. Right? So here the moral of the story was wit trumps while physical strength fails. Right? So we have read many examples here, right? And after that you can say we have a lot more examples जो यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. Yes, so you can read them and improve your skills so that you can think more and create more new stories with the new ideas, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got the things well and you will be easily able to frame the stories well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.